Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, today we are going to discuss about biology and services of mankind. With the advancement of biological knowledge, biology play major role in three different fields. One of them is increasing the food production, second is improving health, and third is protection and conservation of environment. Dear students, inshallah we explain all these fields in which biology play vital role. Initially we are going to discuss about first step, that is the increasing food production. Dear student, with the increasing population of world, it is necessary to improve varieties as well as to improve their product. To increase product as well as improve varieties, 4 steps were taken. First step is improving pre-existing varieties of especially crops such as wheat, corn and rice, and livestock such as sheep, cow and chicken. These varieties were already present, but with the advancement of biological knowledge, these varieties were improved and produced such varieties that give their more product as compared to their previous product. How these varieties were improved? 2 actions were taken to improve these varieties. One is the cross. In this, 2 varieties that have desired traits were crossed to produce such variety that give higher yield. For example, this cross were produced through breeding. For example, poultry breeder use the technique of breeding, develop broiler that provide cheap and quick white meat. On the other hand, second step to improve varieties was through genetic engineering. What are genetic engineering? Genetic engineering is the manipulation of genes. What is manipulation? Manipulation means handling of genes according to our will. Through genetic engineering, this was quick method to introduce gene into other organisms to produce such variety that provide higher yield as well as that provide better growth. How these genes were introduced to produce varieties? These genes were introduced through a technique that are called transgenic. What is transgenic? In this foreign DNA segment mean gene that is specified for particular trait is introduced into an organism. If this gene introduced in plant, such organisms are called transgenic plants. Actually, transgenic plants are those plants in which foreign DNA segment, foreign gene introduced to produce such varieties that having high yield as well as having resistance to against their some pathogens, to control some pathogens. How these transgenic plants were produced? In this, a foreign DNA segment introduced in a plant cell. And then this plant cell propagate through cloning. What are cloning? Cloning is the production of identical copy of a cell through asexual reproduction. Then these cells become clone and produce millions of their copies, and then each copy can further propagate through tissue culture. What are tissue culture? Tissue culture means culturing of cell in an artificial growth medium to produce tissues, and then these tissues grow to form embryo, and finally these embryo change into plant, and such plant in which we introduce foreign DNA segment are known as transgenic plants. With the help of these transgenic plants, we can produce better varieties of specially crops in the form of wheat, rice and corn, and livestock, sheep, cow and chicken. With the help of these two measurements, especially through breeding as well as through genetic engineering, varieties that were improved to produce such varieties that have higher yield as well as they have resistance to their pathogens. In this way is not only improve varieties but also we can increase their product for the demand of increasing population. Second steps that were taken to increase the food product was controlling plants pathogen. What are plant pathogens? Plant pathogens are those organisms they attack on the plant. As a result, plant become weak and their product decrease. What type of pathogens? These pathogens are especially in the form of fungi, in the form of insects, in the form of pest. How these pathogen control? The traditional method that used to control these pathogen are chemical control. What is chemical control? Control of these plant pathogen through some chemicals. Important chemicals used to control these pathogen are fungicides, insecticides and pesticides. Sides mean killer. these chemicals used to kill the fungi or fungicides, and chemicals they used to kill the insect or insecticides, and the chemicals used to kill the pest or pesticides. These chemicals are actually traditionally used to control these plant pathogens, but a drawback to use of such chemical is actually create resistance against chemicals in pathogens. And second, these chemicals, with the use of these chemicals, they are actually create some environmental pollution problems. To minimize such drawbacks of these chemical control, a second method was introduced, that is the biological control. What is biological control? Biological control means control of these plant pathogen through some living organisms. These living organisms are actually predators or parasitized of these pathogens. For example, aphids were controlled on walnut tree with the help of wasps. These wasps are the living organisms. With the use of these living organisms, these aphids on walnut tree are reduced or decreased to reduce their effect on the walnut trees. Such control that is through living organism is biological control. This biological control is actually environmentally safe control. With the use of this control, we can avoid such environmental hazards that produce due to the use of these chemicals. And nowadays, some bacteria are used to control these plant pathogens. This control is called biopesticides. What are biopesticides? Biopesticide is the use of some bacteria to control these plant pathogen. All the methods that may use of chemicals or use of living organisms or use of bacteria to control the plant pathogen is under the control called IDM. What is IDM? IDM means integrated disease management. In this program, we use all the relevant and appropriate methods to control plant pathogens. With the use of these different methods, our main purpose is to control such organisms. They actually attack on the plant or categorized in the form of pathogens that weaken the plant. With the use of these different methods, we improve the varieties and also improve their yield. And actually, to control these pathogens, we improve their product many times. And the next step was conservation of soil. Soil is a complex medium. It is difficult to check the nutritional requirement for plants planted in soil. So, how we can check their nutrition requirement? Their nutrition requirement is checked through a technique that were introduced by biology, that is called hydroponic culture technique. What is hydroponic culture technique? Hydro mean water, culture mean culturing. In this technique, we culture plants in an aerated water. Growing of plants, culturing of plants in an aerated water is called hydroponic culture technique. Then we add minerals in that water to check the mineral requirement of the plant, what type of minerals and what in quantity is required to that plant. With the help of this technique, we can easily check the mineral requirement in our plants. Yet this technique is not feasible. If this technique become possible, astronauts may use to produce vegetable in the space. It means at any space, at any place, at any area, we can grow plant with the help of this technique. At the last, the food that were produced through different techniques that was actually over in the demand, especially in future, that food that were over in their requirement, that were greater in their requirement, were spoilage. To protect them from spoilage, fourth step was taken, that is the conservation of food. Now, many different methods are available to preserve the food, to conserve the food. In this preservation, food can be protected from spoilage. In this, quality of food is not damaged. As a result, this food can be transported from one area to other area for a long distance. One of them protective method is pasteurization. Pasteurization was developed by Louis Pasteur, that used this method to preserve milk and milk products. This preservative method is used only to preserve milk. In this, quality of milk not damage. Actually, with the help of this method, milk is boiled at certain temperature to destroy pathogens inside the milk and then preserve them in specific containers, in specific parts. Through the use of these containers, their quality not damaged and can be utilized for a longer period and also transported from one area to other area. Dear students, by using these 4 different steps, especially improving the pre-existing varieties through breedings as well as through genetic engineering and controlling the plant pathogen, and especially conservation of soil and preservation of food, we can increase food through their tremendous amounts. Thank you very much.